Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add a billing address in AliExpress on your smartphone. It's a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in the browser, navigate to the AliExpress website. Now make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to add the billing address, you need to go to your checkout process. So you can explore through the products and add the products that you might want to buy to the cart. Now go to your cart space. Here you can see the cart option at the top right. Tap on it. You'll see the list of items added to your shopping carts. Here you can see the checkout button. Tap on it. In this confirmation page, here you can see the shipping address section at the top. Tap on it. Here I have one default address. Now in order to add new billing address, here you can see the button add new address. Tap on it. Here you will need to fill in your billing address details. You need to enter your first name, your last name, your phone number, provide your address, and if you want this address to set as default, you can enable this option. Once you enter all of your details, tap on the save button. And there you go, your new billing address has been added. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.